Friends, our project is energy meter reading system using automatic camera, solar thermal energy with GSM. Our aim of our project is to reduce human interface, reduce reading losses, to avoid corruption, auto cut in and cut off in our project. In our project, solar panel and Peltier is a main power supply for this our project. Solar power is external from the source. Solar power is already we know solar is a external source, and in our project main concept is Peltier. Peltier is a solid state device, small and lightweight capacity. Is easily capture the energy reading.
Here the camera is used to capture the image from energy meter. The captured reading is given to the energy meter reading, and then the image is converted into the coding by using the Visual Basics. The camera is programmed automatically to work in particular date of every month. Coding is also written with the conditions such as last date and over range power consumed and plenty of extra usage. The amount of paid is delivered SMS through the GSM by EB server. Typically, RFID systems are made up of 3-component reader, antennas and tags. The user can pay the money with using a smart card by RFID reader. The RFID is a radio frequency identification, is a method of indication unique item using radio waves. If user is ready to pay the amount, they need to access the RFID using the RFID smart card. Once the access is being granted, the user need to switch on the button that been interfaced to the microcontroller. Once it been pressed, the GSM will intimate to the EB server as well as to the user via SMS.
Future enhancement. Our system we are using complicated circuit with more number of devices. User interface is also not applicable. The future we can design a smart circuits, and by Android application we can overview the entire process and be more useful, user friendly.